Let's look at how to analyze semi-structured interviews in qualitative research. I'm going to use NVivo and the inductive approach to thematic analysis. In this video, I'm going to help you go from semi-structured interviews such as this to a complete and well-visualized findings report like this. The only way we move from having raw data, such as semi-structured interviews, to a cohesive and well-organized findings report made up of themes, sub-themes, codes, and participant statements is by taking time to analyze and look for a pattern of shared meaning in semi-structured interview data. Now, there are a couple of decisions you need to make so that you can move from semi-structured interviews to a findings report. These decisions include the approach of data analysis that you are going to take and the tool that you're going to use to analyze data. One of the most common ways of analyzing qualitative data is using thematic analysis. Thematic analysis is a qualitative research method that involves identifying, analyzing, and interpreting patterns of meaning in data. There are two main approaches to thematic analysis, which are inductive and deductive thematic analysis. The inductive approach to thematic analysis involves deriving themes from qualitative data without any preconceptions. That means that we dive into qualitative data such as semi-structured interview transcripts and formulate codes, sub-themes, and themes from what the data provides. We do not come with preconceived ideas. The second main approach to thematic analysis is deductive approach. The deductive approach to thematic analysis involves developing a predetermined set of themes and sub-themes and then diving into the qualitative data to look for codes to match with the predetermined set of themes and sub-themes. If you want to go into detail on the inductive and deductive approaches to thematic analysis, watch my previous video titled Inductive and Deductive Thematic Analysis, Step by Step. There will be a link in the description. In this video, I'm going to analyze semi-structured interviews through the inductive approach. This means that we are going to dive into the data and allow the data to inform the formulation of our codes, sub-themes, and themes. We are simply going to look at a pattern of shared meaning in the data to come up with codes, and then look for a pattern of shared meaning among the code to come up with sub-themes, and finally look for a pattern of shared meaning among the sub-themes to come up with the main themes. Let's consider the second major decision.